Hey guys, it's Chris, and it may look like it is mid-December or January, but this is mid-November here in Michigan, and I just got my call from my local evil dealer of death, thanks Chad at Black Arsenal, that my tax stamp arrived for my 22 suppressor. So this is the first time out. I'm going to give it a try, and we're just going to put it through its paces real quick. If I had been smart, I would have also brought my little 22 AR conversion and we would have tried it on that. But instead, all I brought was my Smith 22 M&P and the suppressor. So we'll give that a whirl. Okay, so I've got the camera obviously up on my hearing protection. I'm going to shoot the first round without the suppressor, just so we can get a comparison. All right, and I'm going to shut down the camera now and put the suppressor on so we can hear. All right, so for the unsuppressed, that was Federal Bulk Pack, which is basically completely unattainable anymore, so I guess that's like gold. Here we go, first test with Federal Bulk Pack suppressed. All right, that was definitely hearing safe, much different. Now this is Blazer. And for comparison purposes, let's try some Ely Subsonic. Cool, definitely hearing. All right, so what I forgot to tell you guys is what this is. So this is a Tactical Solutions Axiom suppressor, nice little unit. Not even too warm right now, I just quickly put about 50 rounds through it. And it comes in this great little carry case with a wrench on it. You see the area right here where you unscrew the suppressor and you can access the internals for cleaning and the like. So a really nice little setup. I'm going to shoot some more without hearing protection and play around, and hopefully if I get a chance to put it on a rifle later, I'll append this video and show you the results then. Other than that, see ya. I'm going to have fun being quiet.